Today's my birthday. We're gonna be working on this tank today. Let's get it.
Sounds drive.
Power steering. We'll be replacing this real quick.
Sounds drive.
Good offer. Radiator, engine management belts, wiring harness, lower wiring harness, power steering, electric fans, intake, engine mount, starter. Let's see. More shit back here. Engine, headers with the O2, trans. Man, what else do we need? Drive shaft. One piece drive shaft. Two. Read this out. Low in sight. Power steering. What? Oh shit, hella webs. Oh god. Power steering. We'll clean that up. Everything electrical. To the battery. Inside, this is what we're dealing with inside. Oh god, there's shit in here from a long time ago. Well, we got extra gauge, we don't need those anymore, damn it. Tack, radio, shifters out. Let's see, we got the boot. Yeah, we gotta go through that. Cool. Seats are ready, everything. It's in the trunk. I'll open this in a minute. Ooh. Whoa. Okay. Batteries in the trunk already. Positives disconnected. We need the amp. And the music. That's it. I'm not scared of you. Old power steering now. Got this shit. This guy, Kasie,
Sounds drive.
What's up, buddy?
where you going?
Coming over here? Hanging with the cool kids?
Coming to help?
Hey, man.
I'm out here, got the tools, engines out here. It's all cleaned, most part. New power steering rack. Bitch is ready. The trans mated with the engine. Everything's pretty clear. Pete slid through. About to drop this bitch in and see how it goes. Alright, we got this bitch on the mounts. It's a little tough. A little crazy. About to put the trans bolts. Alright.